What is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Colton, and I'm going to show you what we're going to be doing today. So as you can see, we've got our donor truck with the 12 valve in it and the rolled over cab. We're going to be removing a lot of the major components that hold the cab on, get the cab ready to come the rest of the way off. And then we're going to be pulling the motor trans. That'll probably all be in a separate video. We will be dropping in a different 12 valve that I've already rebuilt for this project. Putting in a 12 valve with a NV4500 5-speed manual. Excuse the mess in the shop. The engine is already put back together. It is ready to drop in. Once we get that engine dropped in the donor truck frame, we will be setting on that frame a 1982 C30 cab, and basically doing a complete swap for a customer of mine. I just want to let you guys in on the process and hope you guys enjoy the content. So this is the 82 C30 pickup. It is a two-wheel drive currently. We bought it basically just for the cab and the front clip because it is so clean. It's got a few dents here and there, but for the most part this thing is beautiful. Got the faded patina look. I think it ought to work nicely. So we're going to jump into a time lapse of me taking apart the second gen truck, and then probably a time lapse of me starting to pull apart the 82 C30 here. So we weren't able to get any footage of the second gen. It was just a couple bad spots to be in trying to get a camera angle, and I couldn't do it. So we're going to jump right into the 82 C30. So here's where we stand. We got the grill, AC condenser, radiator, fender liners, and all that stuff pulled. We got the hood off. The guy that had this old 6.2 spent a lot of time doing some extra wiring that we had to spend a little extra time cutting out. Trying to figure out what was factory and what was not is a nightmare, as you can see. So we will be working with our friends tonight on their house. We have to leave the projects here, and we will be pulling the cab on the 82, and hopefully we'll also be pulling the cab on the second gen next time with the help of a crane. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and have a good day.